Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. Reach out to us anytime at 647-400-3081. Today, we present the GEARS Visi-Control Handlebar Muffs for snowmobile and ATV, a game changer for those who want to conquer the wilderness no matter the weather. Picture this, you're on your snowmobile or ATV with a cold wind biting at your fingers. With our handlebar muffs, your hands remain shielded from the elements. But it doesn't stop there. The transparent panels on the top provide a clear view of your handlebar controls. Unlike other designs that use this area for a smartphone pocket, GEARS focuses on your safety, ensuring you're immersed in the adventure ahead without distractions. These muffs are universally designed to fit all ATVs, quads, four-wheelers, and snowmobiles. Whether your handlebars have handguards, mirrors, or neither, these handlebar muffs will be super snug.
Today we have universal ATV / snowmobile muffs. Has nice insulation on the inside. These nice big windows. So installing it, just gonna pull this over. Has a drawstring here to keep it closed. I'm going to zip it up, make it nice and snug, small adjustments, both on the right side. Pulling it over, closing this. Keeps your hands nice and warm. These nice big windows let you see everything you need to do out on the trail. Very comfortable.
One of the outstanding features is the heat-retaining neoprene wrist enclosure. It works in tandem with your jacket's cuff, trapping heat, whether it's from your body or from your heated grips. Now, you might wonder, why choose handlebar muffs over gloves? For one, they enable better grip and tactile feedback. They shield your handlebar controls, saving you on potential repair costs. They're incredibly durable, and let's be honest, you're less likely to lose them compared to a pair of gloves. Combine all that with a water-resistant, wind-proof exterior, and you have a protective shield against wind chill, gravel, insects, tree branches, rain, and snow. Wondering how the GEARS Visi-Control Handlebar Muffs feel on the inside? Luxurious. They boast a premium fleece lining, ensuring your hands remain cozy. So, if you've been on the hunt for the solution to frosty fingers, the GEARS Visi-Control Handlebar Muffs are for you. And remember, like all GEARS products, they come with our ironclad 1-year warranty. Add to cart and get ready to seize your adventure.